This one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart? Going parabolic. You know it can't last forever, baby. There's only one place I need you to go. Listen.
I've been watching you since the opening bell, casting your hypnotic green candle spell. You're flying so high, way above the mean, the most overboard chart I've ever seen. I clicked the sell button, girl, I'm shorting you now. I got a feeling you're about to turn around somehow. My stop loss is set, but my heart is beating fast. This beautiful setup, oh, I need it to last. Oh, won't you take me to VWP?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to VWP. Bring that price down
Nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VWP, boy. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh, it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to VWP?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to VWP.
Bring that price down nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VWP. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Yeah. They call it the magnet, the line of control, where institutional money can make a trader whole. I ain't asking for a crash, I ain't asking for the floor. Just come back to that average and I'll be out the door. That volume weighted price, yeah, it's looking so sweet to me.
Come on, baby, sell it off.
Oh, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down for me now. Oh, baby, take me to VWP. I gotta cover my short, don't you see? Oh, I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VWP. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Take me there, baby, oh, to the VWP. That beautiful golden line on my screen. Come on, just a few more ticks, yeah, that's the way. Let me see that green. Oh, take me to VWP. Don't.
Yeah, my stop loss, got it, that's the top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a million, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. Woke up this morning, saw the setup, it was clean. Overextended daily, yeah, short seller's dream. Put my order on the book, risk was calculated plan. Felt that rush inside my veins, had the world inside my hand. Then the candle started pushing paranoia in my soul. A wick came out of nowhere, made my P&L a hole. Just one single tick, a whisper, then it slammed right back to earth. Now I'm watching all this money, questioning my worth. Yeah, my stop loss got hit, that's a top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the It's a cruel world, it's trading game, a different type of pain. Like you text your girl I love you and she leaves you in the rain. Saw the profit flash before me, then it vanished from the screen. This ain't a simulation, this is agony, it's keen. Top tick tilter, now I'm just a watcher. It hurts the most. Gone.
I see you shining, baby, on the screen. Another rocket launch, a manufactured scene. The chatter's buzzing loud, the retail's buying in. They think they found the gold, where do I even begin? Volume's climbing high, charts are looking green. But I got a different vision, a different kind of scene. My fingers on the trigger, my conviction's wearing thin. 'Cause everybody's got to end. They're talking moon and stars, a stratospheric flight. But I'm here in the shadows, waiting for the fading light. They built it up so high on hopes and empty claims. Just a house of cards playing dangerous games. Oh, I'm waiting for the hold down, baby, hear that siren blow. When the bids all disappear and the panic starts to grow. That glorious hold down, watch it drop and fall. From the penthouse to the basement, gonna lose it all. Pumping, pumping for an offering you'll release. Then silence in the market, no more happy peace. Just a swift, sweet dive from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Saw this play 100 times, it's nothing new to me. Flashing news and promises for all the world to see. No fundamental reason, just pure and empty hype. While the insiders are prepping for the final perfect strike. Call me cynical, baby, that's just fine with me. But I see the truth behind what they want you to see. You play the hype machine, you sold them all a lie. Now it's time to watch your little paper kingdom die. Oh, I'm waiting for the hold down, baby, hear that siren blow. When the bids all disappear and the panic starts to grow. That glorious hold down, watch it drop and fall. From the penthouse to the basement, gonna lose it all. Pumping, pumping for an offering you'll release. Then silence in the market, no more happy peace. Just a swift, sweet dive from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Yeah, waiting for it. Hold down. Oh, here it comes, baby. Watch it all fall down.
Yeah, this one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart?
All right, traders, good morning. Happy Friday, sad Friday, kind of sad, right? What are we doing tomorrow, guys? We got to get this 24/7 market going. Saturdays, I find myself just sitting around thinking about trading. The obsession is real. Traders, let's focus on manifesting a green day today. We were talking about that on the call-in show yesterday. I was discussing how picturizing things is when you actualize them. You have to manifest these things. It doesn't just happen, right? I mean, it doesn't just happen. Well, they say if you ever go into Doug, you were in a casino recently. They say if you ever go in a casino, if you don't have a plan, you're gonna walk out losing what you went in there with. Like, but those that maybe have a plan, like okay, when I'm up 100, 200, 300, I'm shutting it down. That's what the Einstein of Wall Street actually mentioned the other day. I was watching one of his videos, and he said this dramatically altered like some traders that he knew could be successful. It completely altered their future when he said, "Look, when you hit a certain amount, just shut it down. Stop trading, stop over trading. When you're up 100, 200, whatever it is for you, just shut it down, walk away, close the computer and walk on." He said like, "Okay, we have these we don't have targets in mind often. We have stops in mind, or maybe at Trade the Pull, you have like a max daily drawdown. You have a stop where it's like, I hit this, I'm done. But maybe, and this is just opening up the floor for conversation because I don't know entirely where I stand on this, but because sometimes I'll sit here and trade too long and give a lot back, but maybe it's not a bad idea. He said it revolutionized the way they were trading some of these guys that where he said, "Look, I'm shut the computer down, you're up and walk away." There have been many days I'm up a lot and I just get like yesterday I was up, I think high water mark was 600 and something and I gave half of it back sitting here trying to trade. Honestly, this crap right here, SXTC, I was trading this. We had a guy in chat who uh this caught him as well. And in fact, if you're in the Discord, free in the description below, we're just going over some traders. There's a guy who lost 300,000 on this ticker, and then, yeah, actually, it was this ticker. It lost a lot, and then I witnessed over the last month or two somebody losing a $300,000 account. Just and they were mainly short sellers, mainly shorting, and just not being able to control their reaction. Like the market can do this irrational insanity like this SXTC. And this was insane. What chart pattern do you call this? This is just manipulation at its finest, but we cannot get caught up in that irrationality, guys. I mean, you have to know what you're going to do. I actually was crow in the building. I saw this going on in the background of the call-in show, and I did take a short. I took a short at like 4:30. The 50% reclaim crow is a strategy I like to trade. So we dump like that, elevator down. I'm not going to chase it. I'm going to let it pop up. Okay, I popped up. I took the short 420. I set the stop, and it kept going. And I was thinking to myself, there is no way this thing's reclaiming the high here. But I said, but here's the thing. I did not trade that. I said, you know what? If my stop gets hit, I'm done with it and I'm moving on. And it's not, I did not force it. I was very thankful. Thankfully was distracted by the call-in show too. But that is what you have to do. You cannot trade a certainty. You cannot trade a certainty. Is this likely or unlikely to happen? Who cares? The market's going to print whatever information is going to print. This was an insane move. Yeah, trader Madaz, he lost 300,000 on this. This was an insane move. Yeah, then I saw Investors Underground. They were trading this too, and they were, they shorted this pop and covered and celebrating it. Who knows what happened thereafter? Because I only saw this much of that screenshot. It's like, okay, did they hold? It's the people only show the sunshines and rainbows, but this was an insane move. It's unlikely that happens statistically over time, but it did happen. I had to stop. Don't move it. Take the trade. Take the edge. Put the stop in and move on. Move along. Move along. Don't sit there and just keep hitting, 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 hitting. So, guys, what do you think about the new kind of screen? I've been playing with it a little bit. I'd like to get like a scanner up on here, but we have a heat map. I put like the rolling tickers up top, and that's my actual watch list. So I can. It takes a little bit more time, but I can go in each morning and do that. Where I just, okay, what's my watch list, and I just type it all out up there. you guys can see that, and then, of course, some of the indexes I can put up with you, but, yeah, I thought it was pretty neat, and throw the watch list up there, got the heat map at the bottom, but, if it's too noisy, let me know too, I don't Fades is in the background talking about Rich Sparkle, so let's bring on Fades to the scene. How we doing, Mr. Fades? I gotta figure out how to add you on. Let's
Man, I'm
put
on
you
the prime time.
big screen, prime
Yeah,
time on the
go.
Megatron.
Rich Sparkles dump alert, guys. Good
Rich
morning. Green
Rich
team.
Rich Sparkles.
Rich
Oh, is that
Sparkles going poor.
ANPA. Okay, ANPA, you're in that. What in the world is Rich Sparkles doing up right now? Rich freaking Sparkles.
Freaking
We're
junker.
in the freaking la la land in this market, dude.
Junker
You have
scandal.
SMX with the weed and yesterday, and
That was
dude,
hilarious, dude.
oh my god, that was so funny. But I stopped. What was not funny is I stopped out of that and then it dumped midday. That wasn't funny.
Yeah,
All right.
that's never that fun.
All right. While I'm moving your face around, give us a watch list. Let me figure out how to put you in here.
I'm still building it right now. The only trade I'm taking right now is the ANPA. Let me see. Yeah, I'm still building
Okay.
it here. But I got OPAD, LRHC. Those are two today that are showing up. LRHC, they announced offering. They announced dilution coming, so that could be a nice sleepy fade from here. See how it reacts at Bell. Not sure the story on OPAD yet. I gotta look into that one. But let me see. Damn it! I just missed that dip on Rich Sparkles. That was annoying. It's freaking spreads. But I'm looking for bigger picture dump on that one. But who knows? That thing could turn into king of day at Bell and go to $100. So, let me see what else we got. Did a little bit of futures trading this morning as well.
Hey, looky there. All right, we're making some headway. Here we go.
Yeah, and then Fly X and Sidu are two others that I have. Those are like my top five right now. Let me see what else I got. Sidu looks really good, guys. 4.2 was like an iron support. There was like a million something sitting on that bid, and they've just been creeping it down, and now it washed under it.
So, man, I'm digging this layout, dude. Sorry,
Sidu.
Sidhu is look at the Sidhu chart I got here. It's right on trend line. It finally came back down to this freaking trend line, but
Mhm.
is it gonna stay heavy here or is it gonna crash?
There was I don't know if anyone was watching or if you were, but there was a huge bid at 4.2 just sitting there towards the end of the day. And now that's gone. It's under 4.2 and it's just slow and dead essentially. So, I mean, keep an eye out at Bell, but that might be time to really, step in there and get another 50-cent point fade. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it could
Dude,
find things here too.
don't fall in love with Sidhu's got you like the last 2 days. She's on the
Well,
naughty list.
I did end up making money on it yesterday.
Okay.
But it's just like, yeah, Bell, man, they really chop you out there, so you got to be careful for sure. But yeah, so let's see what else. Yeah, CGTL is another one I've been watching, and then
CGTL.
AMPA and the little that they look like they swept it to mid fours and pumping up. It's like they might pump it into Bell now.
Yeah, CGTL. That's a hang, dude. This
Yeah,
chart's a
CGTL is
hangover.
a good one. I like CGTL, but
Whoa.
it was strong after hours and it's holding up, so it might not be done just yet, but it's probably going to be one.
This is like picture perfect hangover. The Magic 20s held up. It's quiet.
Right.
$3 is
Yeah,
holding.
it did a pretty much a sweep at 320 yesterday after hours, and it's been kind of trickling down since. Didn't get much love this morning, so but it hasn't dumped either. So let's see.
So yeah,
Yes.
KD, good alert there with Akon. So Akon, I like that one for a hangover, but it already like offering out sucks. That one really that sucks because that was quiet and Look pretty good there. But yeah, we got PAVS waking up. The volume's kind of dispersed out here today, so I'm curious where the mob's going to go. But honestly, the CGTL. I'm glad you brought that up. That's probably my favorite play now on the backside short. GP
Yeah, that's
is
not the one we haven't touched on. That's the other one that's kind of up and at it.
GP straight up from a $9 9 o'clock PR. They received $5 million award from the state for a New Mexico facility plus $9.6 million job tax credits. So GP
Hmm.
it's a tiny float, not surprising here.
We got
But
a
it's
few others to look at. MNTS.
mm-hmm. Yep, let's pull up MNTS. Momentous. That's look at the pattern that MNTS is on, dude.
That's
It's just
beautiful.
it's a bear flag if I've ever
Yeah,
seen
that
one.
might be one to size today, depending on how it reacts. Um, let's see.
Dude,
Uh,
I'm just like I want to take a moment of gratitude as far as like the fact that we just go through objectively like a lot of good setups because there's so many rooms out there that's just like, okay, all I'm focusing on today is GP.
yeah,
GP, like this is going
this
to
is the
$3.
one.
This is three. Yeah, it's like, come on, man. It's like that's not trading objectively.
Hmm.
But if you have 3,000 people jumping in a trade with you, I guess it's makes life easier for them. You don't have to be objective.
Yeah.
Fly X is 1-2. That's look. The previous close
Mhm.
is really holding up as a level of
Yeah,
resistance.
we didn't touch on that one, but yeah, I was watching that one.
So
UAVS. Let me see. UAVS. How's that one look?
So FlyX did an offering $15 million worth at 665, dude. Dude, who they raised capital? Yeah, 665. Wow. They
Mm.
so that that came out at 809 too. They were paying a premium. I guess
Oh,
that's
wow.
because it was sitting at $6.
Oh, so that's interesting.
Very like normally the offerings
It
it
held
would be
up,
like
and then
offering out like 5.
yeah, it
Yeah.
finally gave up after hours. They washed it, and then that news came out and it gave it strength again. So that's interesting. Huh?
What I say about that 888 high day number?
Yeah.
So, NVVE still holding up, still holding some levels. Lucy's in play, and it's Tuna's got that as a high score,
Okay.
and Lucy's holding several.
CGTL is dumping a little bit.
Oh shit! My
That
favorite
one.
play. Don't
Yeah,
do it.
that one and Sidhu and MNTS. I like all three of those a good bit. And then ANPA is going to be the one to just watch. Wiki wonky.
Did your TTP update? Does it look different?
Mm, no.
Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, my whole platform is just looks completely like
Huh.
reamped.
Oh, interesting.
I don't
Yeah, I
if
need to
you
update it or something.
yeah,
So,
it looks good.
cool.
All right, CTX. I don't know if we went over this one either. 420 hit, Magic 20. This
Mm-mm.
one's in play too. It's up from 290. CETX Simtrex
Yeah.
completes acquisition. Oh, it looks like Simtrex completes acquisition, launches aerospace defense, yada yada. All right, so the favorite tickers going into Bell today for me are gonna be. I mean, CGTL is definitely top of the list because it's got great risk reward. You got the 3 risk for a lot of reward today. That one's good. And then outside of that, I think we touched on it. What was it? AZI is under 350, by the way. I mean,
Yeah.
that was
Yeah.
a key level in AZI.
Yeah.
Sidhu's right on that support line, like right on it. So I'm really not that biased on this. If it cracks under this support, I want to hit it for the short, but
Mhm.
otherwise, it may
Let
try to
it,
bounce here.
right. Yeah. Let it kind of confirm lower. because it's up
Mhm.
like several 100% over the last few weeks. So a couple others, MBY, that one started to look like it might be kind of a little something
Oh,
up.
that's the one you've been like watching over the last month or so because she's been up from like
Yeah, it's on the 1 month list. Yeah, so
yeah,
like did it perhaps top out there for a bigger picture? And
yeah.
then what was the other one that I saw? FTEL sketch.
Momentous is getting heavy on this trend. It's real heavy on this trend.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's like the such a beautiful bear flag, but it's
That's a
like we're in such a trappy market. I'm always like second guessing these trends, these patterns. I have such little faith in patterns holding up, like because so often you see it, especially with low float plays. They're so easily manipulated. They're like,
that's
oh,
what's
this is
annoying, dude. Yeah,
yeah.
all the manipulation.
So what are you doing? Like you sizing down at Bell? Is that the new? Or
Yeah,
you?
yeah. If anything, I'm sized down at Bill. Uh,
Oh, dude, IMBS. Yeah, I just alerted that over on Josh's stream too because I was like, dude, IMBS is an absolute. Look at this creepy crawler, man. This thing's going for freaking $100. This thing is an illiquidity trap.
wow.
So reminiscent of AFJK, dude. Like the exact same kind of pattern recognition as far as yeah, it keeps spiking, pulling back, spiking, pull back, spiking, there's no exit for shorts. That's the problem with IMBS. There's no exit for shorts, and so it's because it spikes, and then look at this, it just has no liquidity, and
Yeah,
there's no exit.
that's crazy, man.
I don't know. We got to watch IMBS because it keeps doing the same thing every day. Like what time? Like here's the bell, guys. Trade safe. Let's see where the volume's going to go. And CETX or CGTL is the one I really want to eyeball, but that's probably about to dump right now. CGTL, the one Mr. Fades mentioned, a little
Mhm.
spready, a favorite play, but let me see if
Yeah,
I can get.
City
Uh,
as well dumping.
God
Everything just
dang it,
gonna
dude!
dump.
It's gone. CGTL is gone.
It's gross, dude. City is also dumping. But they remember how Sidhu does, it manipulates at Bell. And then TS.
I'm gonna try to catch
And Rich
CGT.
Sparkles is also kind of dumping. Well, it's choppy though. That one's gonna chop. Let's see.
I got to start throwing feelers in pre-market because this is
Right.
ridiculous. Like Acon should have just had a feeler on it. CGTL should have had a feeler on it because, God dang it.
Yeah, that's annoying, dude. That's painful. Especially when we're right there calling it out and just a couple minutes too late.
MNTS is cracking
Sidhu
that bear flag.
underscore. Yep.
Yeah, I got to get involved with MNTS as long as it stays heavy under. Look at this pattern, guys.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't really get. What are you hitting over there?
A little bit of everything, sprinkling.
Okay. Yeah, MNTS. I'm gonna throw a little something on it here. Feel like I'm chasing it a little bit, but we have tight risk back up over that trend. Really like over 12.
Setting stops. Yeah. I hate when the open is actually clean. That's what teases us. That's like it just incentivizes bad behavior. Like, oh, we should have been heavy before the bell. But it's like, how often does that work though?
No, you can't be. Yeah, it's like you can't be
It's
heavy
like
for
don't
the
don't let
bell.
it like trick you. Pretty much. Like,
QTRX getting a pump, guys, up. That's where volume's going. QTRX, random quantum play. It looks like I'm in MNTS and then QTRX.
I'm in Sidhu and MNTS.
Come on, dude, mate.
Oh, let's go.
MNTS looking good. I
Both.
I gotta refresh my.
CGTL. God, that's painful, dude.
I can't even look at it, man. I can't look.
Ugh.
That is
All
real
right,
painful.
can't be everywhere. Sidhu and MNTS behaving.
Yeah, MNTS looks great. Considering what I need to do here. Oh, dude, let's go MNTS.
Credit.
You
I
saw
was in big, so I took it. I'm gonna re-add. Jeez, dude. Yeah, this thing's crazy. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like these spreads, that's where our edge just disappears. 1050 to 11. Are you kidding me? Like, come on, man. Like Ab Bell at 930. Like that's tough, bro. That's tough.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
really wish like if Trade the Pool somehow would fix their spreads, like that's definitely the biggest hole in their whole system. 100%.
I'm on like an archaic version of Trade the Pool for some reason. I can't move my orders. Maybe this isn't an update.
Yeah, maybe,
Maybe I went back.
maybe we went backwards.
I can't move my orders. Yeah, MNTS looks great. I probably should just leave it on, leave the stop, and let it work out. QTRX straight up.
Yeah,
CGTL. Oh, that's so freaking
it's like it
painful.
was 10-5, 11 spread, and then it's like slowly tightens up, but just like those random 50-cent gaps, like that's like multiple percentages, just crazy. How do we have that much leakage? Like,
I know.
certainly
If you
they're
get
not. They don't care about their own capital if the spreads are that bad.
it's MLTX. MLTX was yesterday's. That's spiking up too. MLTX.
So yeah, as far as the king of the days, the LRHC is kind of fading a little. OPAD, GP, OPAD and GP are wiki wonky. AMPA kind of slowing down at 50 here. Interesting. Sidhu, is there a chance that they somehow do that wonky reclaim? They'll probably just stay heavy at this point. I would imagine MNTS and Sidhu. I feel like those sell-offs were too aggressive to be fake. I feel like that was the signal for a downtrend, but I've been wrong before. God knows. Green team knows.
QTRX still at highs. You're saying OPAD is king of day right now at QTRX and OPAD. A lot of volumes dispersed everywhere in small caps right now. So OPAD, interesting. That reminds me of the that manipulation move yesterday where you have a crack sell off and then
That SXC move was brutal, dude. God, and I can't believe I'm so mad at myself. I didn't like re-short it after that sweep. I kept checking back on it. It was down like 50 cents more, $1 more. That was so painful. I didn't lose on it. I'm sure a lot of people blew up, but I had FOMO on the backside when it finally confirmed. That was such a good, that final that backside. I mean, it was like a clean just wash from like 6 to like $1 or something. Yeah. Yeah, that price action was totally insane. Just disgusting, dude. Just penny madness.
MNTS. Is that going to reclaim now too?
Time to smack it.
Yeah, I was about to hit it some more.
Back over 12 is going to be sketchy.
Yeah, don't want it back.
I'll be scaling my stops above that. Go ahead and do that for damage control. 6-1. And Sidhu, probably going to just scale this one as well for a bigger picture.
Yeah, Sidhu, it cracked. Yeah, it looks like it cracked.
That's my plan. And if these don't go against us and have wonky reclaims right now, it's just right. One of them might. trick everyone
Four
out.
420 stop on Sidu. I'm gonna get involved there because it looks like Sidu is cracking its multi-day trend, guys. I mean, it might try to reclaim this, so it's right on the line. It's right on the line. If it reclaims, that's no bueno. So in which case, it's trying to form a lower shadow there.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's right. It's right on that line. I'm gonna have a short there with a 420 stop. Short that. Short MNTS. Didn't take any on MNTS. We getting back to this reclaim theme.
If we are, I'm logging off. God,
CGTL going for the reclaim too. Now CGTL
I
that
guess this is what we're doing.
CGTL. Uh, I'm a I'm gonna have an order out on a short for
I was
CGTL.
thinking that watch for the reclaim to short on CGTL, and then Sidhu probably gonna. Let's see.
I have a couple orders out on CGTL. Now, if Sidhu looks like it's going for the big old red to green move here, man.
Yeah, just total madness on all parameters.
Wow, it's gonna hold that multi-day trend line. Interesting.
For now,
Trying to. Lucy wants to hold 2. Okay, Lucy getting some volume as well. I have a couple orders out on OPAD's getting rejected. A couple orders out on CGTL to get filled, like 260 to 270. Trying to get in the habit more of doing that. I'm gonna try to get more in the habit of doing that fades, like not laddering orders and exits, like your exit approach, but then doing that with orders too.
yeah,
So it's like I don't have to get filled right at the doesn't have to be right at this penny. Could be just around that area.
yeah, I like that. Yeah, it's all about giving it room for variance and wiggle. Like, yeah,
Because Lord knows there's been a lot of variance. Gonna be a lot more variance this year.
that's for sure.
All right, let's keep flipping. Yes, it is going for the crazy reclaim there. I mean, it's all good. I got a 420 stop. I honestly, if it's going to hold that level, I don't mind reversing long on it, but it's a she's a tough cookie, this Sidu.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
MNTS looked like a decent like smack on that attempted reclaim because that one's pulling back down right now. That's good. MNTS working out. That one for those that are just now tuning in, cracking a bear flag. So I got holding this one for big picture today. Sidhu's holding on to the daily. Yeah, it looks like it wants to.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, everything kind of. Let's see what we got. MNTS might be the one that actually behaves today.
Oh, INBS did get a little spike, but it's a little heavy against that spike right now. Hmm. PAVS has been real heavy since open PAVS. And GP is going sideways, consolidating, guys. Penny play, tiny float. This GP still kind of going sideways.
MNTS is looking good for continuation.
MLTX heavy, guys. Alert on MLTX. Got pop heavy against 1620 now. Decent risk guide on MLTX, but basing out a lot from the 1420s. But yeah, the 1620 looks to be holding on MLTX. That was yesterday's big play.
Mm-hmm.
OPAD still in play. Your ANPA, Rich Sparkles. What, dude? This is
Oh my god, dude.
it. Kind of look, if volume doesn't come in here, it looks good. You know what I'm saying? Like
Mm-hmm.
it's as long as volume doesn't show up.
It's
as long as no chat room comes knocking at its door, it does look good for
there's no sparkling starts to happen.
GP. Looks honestly, Fades, you might like GP. I mean, it's not up a ton, but it's starting to sleep out. GP
Mm-hmm.
against 150 60s. Slowly motivate your short Ava. Yeah, good little pop there, shorten into that strength. That was a play a few days ago, I believe, too. Yeah. Looks like she's trying to hold that 17 level, but in the 200 day on the chart, AVA getting a nice euphoric pop to smack, though, off of that 19.
Mm-hmm. ANPA's given risk levels here.
So, AMPA.
Yeah,
SMX. SMX.
wiggle kind of.
Yeah, I like it. It just was a 2-point spread when I looked at it.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Uh,
I'm sure.
yeah. God, I do like it big picture. I might go small. SMX is bear flagging, FYI traders. So I'm taking a look at I'm in MNTF.
NTS is like the best looking one in reality for like.
Yeah,
So.
yeah. Fades and I are working this MNTS traders. You guys should know.
I don't want to count City out. I hate the action it gives, but it's like now it's like how much more. Like 420 is a very good risk level for City. If you're
Yeah,
not,
that's where
there,
my
you
risk
wanna
is. Yep.
yeah, right.
Yeah, that's exactly where it is. I'm just keeping it on, not gonna.
Mhm. Right. Yeah.
OPAD approaching highs. Wally Gator, good to see you in here, Gator. Hope you had a good Christmas and New Year's as well. Trader Rehab, gotta learn to control my emotions on a red day. Yeah, yep. That's what that's the biggest thing. Like on a red trade on a red day, how are you reacting to it? That's like
Mhm.
if I want to know somebody, like that's the most difficult thing. If I want to see into somebody's future, into their success, I need to see how they I need to see them at their worst, essentially.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like as far as personality goes, like if you're trying to date somebody or be friends with somebody, I want to see who they not at their best. Everybody can put on a great best. I want to see you at your
Mhm.
worst. Like, what's your worst look like? As far as trading goes, we all have the capability of trading at our worst, right? Like that.
Yeah.
And honestly, Gator, that's why I've loved Trade the Pool, because at my worst, it's like I can only do so much damage.
Hmm.
But at
That's what.
CMAG, yeah, I was messing up there too, like on the red days, trying to get it back.
Yeah. I was doing some journaling, and it gave me something back. I need to see exactly what it said. It was like instead of willpower, you have like guardrails or something like that. It's like guardrails replaces willpower. It's like that's where like your system and your plan comes in. Like you have to have a plan. Like if X happens, then I do Y. Like what do you do once you hit max loss? Like are like do you have a healthy plan that protects you, or do you just kind of say, well, I'm gonna buy out today. Like this is the time I'm gonna buy out. It's like having that discipline and that strategy. And
Yeah.
sometimes, like, and that's what I'm getting at. Like, sometimes we don't have that willpower, that discipline. But if we have the knowledge and we've built a plan and structure, then we can respect that instead and just kind of suck up our pride and say, well, I know the system is going to protect me. It's like you have to, have a plan, essentially. Like, you can't do it without a plan.
Can't stick to it. That's the hard part. Stick to it. Yeah, exactly. It's it's challenging. And Gator's a good trader. It's
Like
just
willpower, essentially, like willpower and discipline is not enough. Don't kid yourself. No, you need structure and a plan and like somewhat of a system, like for to stay successful. Like
mhm.
that's just like just call it for what it is. You don't try to sugarcoat it. That's a good way to look at it.
OPAD feels like it's teetering on the brink of collapse over here, but I mean, we'll see. It's still number one play.
Yeah, that
Uh,
GP hanging around 60%, and then
uh,
ANPA is the king that's just oddly stuck. It's like that's is this the new liquidity? It probably
MTN halted
is.
up.
It probably is the new liquidity, the new SMX or whatever, the IMBS. Like, is that what Rich Sparkles is now? It's just like a straight junker. There's not enough shares. Like someone's playing with it.
MTEN halted up traders.
Yeah, a dollar stock. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Gator. We were in pre-market. We were going over like yesterday. There's several blow-ups on whatever that Chinese ticker
Yeah,
SCTX. So it was just absolutely
the price
horrible.
action, man. That's
Yep,
like the classic example of makes no sense. Like less
this right here.
edge, the herd's all there, less
What
edge, and then field day.
what pattern do you call this?
Bullshit.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
I didn't even lose on it. And I'm pissed off.
Yeah, I took a red trade, but I was so satisfied that I did not move my stop and I only traded it once. Because what traditionally would get me in trouble is like I get stopped. Oh, let me just re-hit it because it still looks good. And it's almost like you're holding and hoping. Although I'm getting stopped, but I keep re-entering. It's like just
Right. Yeah, we've talked about that.
you
It's like you got to
cannot.
draw that line, like establish, okay, I have this many attempts at
Yeah,
this, like give yourself a time frame and tries. Like I
yeah.
only get this many tries at this time and this is my risk. It's like the three, those three things, like respecting
Guys,
those three, your risk, your time, and your attempts.
yeah,
Like
you cannot just keep
because we can get delusional. We get delusional in our little trader holes, and then we're thinking, oh, this is the one. Like that conviction speaks, the holding and hoping comes, and like the
spamming.
psychology just flips. It can happen quick. Yeah.
GP, something's about to happen here with GP, guys. It's right on its trend. You can see that. And it's either about to squeeze up or crack under this pretty soon.
Did you get re-involved in CGTL at all? Gave a little bit of
Uh,
a sloppy entry, but
no,
oh,
thank you for that, though, because I do have orders I need to cancel. CGTL. Well, I mean, I don't. It's probably worth a stab here, honestly. I mean, it's like even against 2.7, it's like just it should not be reclaiming like even 2.7.
mhm.
No, I'm just kicking back in MNTS Sidu right now, monitoring MTEN out of the halt,
Okay.
but that's pretty much it right now. I'm still eyeballing a couple other trades. Yeah, Gator, good awareness, good discipline. Yeah, don't give up. You're good. You're a good trader. I've definitely seen your trades and you got the right approach. It's just yeah, it's just controlling yourself on the red days. Yeah, I guess journal that, make note of it, and so everybody has red days and red trades, but we just have to respond and react appropriately to
I
those.
think I
GP
like
cracking the
I like the
trend.
idea of like figuring out some kind of replacement for like your red day. Like if you used to like continue to trade or like buy through, it's like you got to figure out some kind of replacement. Like once you hit that red day or that threshold, like what is your new ritual? Like find something that's healthy that you can like continue to do. Like maybe that's paper trade. Like maybe something like that, or step away. But you gotta figure that out and respect it, because
Hmm.
the hole can be dug. The over trading, it's never a winning battle. It never is. Like the market will always be here. Tomorrow's a fresh day. Got to think the bigger picture.
GP's cracking trend. Moonstar, welcome to the chat. Yeah, we're at Trade the Pulse prop firm. CGTL, I like that against 270s. MNTS is still working on the bear flag crack, and
Yeah,
GP.
but it's kind of, yeah. Got to give it a little bit of wiggle room at this point. It still looks good. Um, yeah, that 12 is key for sure.
And
I'm
Bob in the
sitting.
building. Good to see you, Bob. Yeah, Bob paper trading right now to help figure out, what he's doing right and wrong without hurting the wallet. Yeah, exactly. That's
Mhm.
love it. Yeah, the GP looks good. It cracked this trend, but again, it's like
Hmm.
over analyzed. Yeah, GP's looking good. It's cracking the lower. All right, MTEN just opened up, traders. Let's see what MTEN is going to do. Look at the the manipulation. The manipulation algo's just turned on. I mean, look at
Yeah,
yesterday
dude,
close on MTEN.
I'm just I'm so good on all that nowadays.
MNTS working out good.
Find me my big picture sleepy fade. I can size into it.
Honestly,
I'm good
dude,
on the king of the day shop.
MTEN against like 130 though is not terrible. MNTS working out, man. Let's go.
Hmm.
Oh, huge volume wick came in on MTEN. Did they get their liquidity?
Uh oh. MNTS looks like it could be backholder graveyard today.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold
Oh,
that
it
big.
already is. It's down 16% already. I mean, this thing's. It might
Big
have one more wash in it though. Like 10.5 looks like it might collapse. Trickling there.
That's what I'm trying to work on this year is let holding the winners. I can't just be taking scalping these, and the big picture is what I'm looking for. And
Yeah.
I
Well,
think just
they're
focusing.
rewarded for that too, though. Like in trade the pool, like I had to change my strategy to that because I can't
Yeah,
scout because of all the rules and the spreads. It's
but
like you're rewarded for building the position and holding
yeah,
throughout the day.
yeah.
That's what you're rewarded for here.
I, I
So.
think it I think it helps though as far as like trying to identify big picture trades by doing that. Like I'm
Mhm.
not looking for like a trade where I can scalp in 5 seconds.
Mhm.
I'm trying to
Mhm.
find identify something way overbought that I can short and end of day. Where is it likely
Yeah,
to
a
be?
big picture fade like textbook A, exhibit A, CGTL off 3, like the big picture fade
Yes, yes,
like that. It's like
and
just see that, let it work. Like
she exactly. You're
MNTS, same thing. We saw that bear flag right before it broke down this morning. It's like if it confirms like that, okay, it's big picture for the day. Like let it work, size it. Don't get so caught up in the little minuscule action. But
I'm
yeah.
still gonna try to get involved with CGTL, but yeah, exactly right. Like that's what big picture, big picture. Even though we're sitting here, probably gonna just avoid staring at it all day, though. Trying to take the trade, set the levels, move on.
Monitor it, or like scalp it along the way if you want, but it's good to hold some core too and just let it work. I just, it just makes it complicated, like with the 10-cent rule, the profit rule, and everything, like trying to manage positions. That's why it's almost like you're rewarded to just build a big position and hold it and get a big profit. Like all the in and outs complicate things and rules and spreads and ticks. That's kind of like what I've come to
So
realize.
Glue is giving it up today, dude. This one might be worth getting involved with because they offering out. I tried it yesterday. They had another spike, but look, 25. That kind of looks like they.
Okay.
I'm gonna monitor it. I mean, right now it'd be a point risk for me. I wouldn't want it back over 25, but they offered out the other day glue, and it looks. This is a kind of big picture idea. I'd like a pop here. I don't want. I mean, it's 25 down to 24.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of slow on the halts today, unfortunately. Come on, come on, halts. Where you at?
Yeah,
GP. Oh, GP looks good. I can't chase it here. I should have taken it on that crack.
Fly X. Oh, we missed that one. Damn, I stopped looking at it. It gave back up, huh? Is that thing done? Wow, that thing might fade today.
Good eye.
All on public offering plans.
Well, they offering at 665 though. I mean, what do you think about that?
It's weird.
665.
But the price action just got bearish again. Like super bearish.
And here's where it's been holding this 6 level. It's been holding 6 real well.
Let me start looking at the tape, see what's going on.
MG in the building. Good morning, MG. How's trading going today? SMX looks good still.
Maybe it might be good for big picture today.
You think?
Yeah, it's kind of feeling like it. It hasn't reclaimed more.
I mean, it's still right
Oh,
on this.
there it goes. Look at that. As soon as I speak up, we're
I
gonna
don't know.
100,000 shares slam it.
I'm in a short, but it
Can't
looks
make
like
it up, bro.
it honestly looks like a decent long.
Yeah, I'm gonna cover. I didn't have that much anymore, but yeah, I'm. Oh boy, is that my cue?
That's too funny. Yeah,
I was about to start adding into it again. I'm glad I didn't. Yeah, that one, man. That thing. You're right. Every day, it's just been trappy, tricky, trappy.
yeah, trying to hold this trend right here, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep the 420 stop on it.
Yeah,
Let it play out.
yeah. Not a bad idea. Man, let's see. MNTS gonna reclaim.
Oh, halted up again. Hang on. MTEN halted up again, guys.
Oh yeah.
Ah, the trap. Is this a Chinese company? Yep, Ming Ting.
Hang
Oh
hang
man.
hang.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Maybe it's time to go to futures. Nah.
MTEN. Okay, so sympathy off of SXTC yesterday. That is SXTC, the
Oh
crazy
yeah, right. Oh
because I
god,
was
all the
not
China sympathy. When it's
China.
China sympathy play, that's when it might be time to just come back in the afternoon and reassess. Because I
Yeah,
don't know if I can shapeshift into a Chinese bull today, guys. Honestly, I might just need to step away.
Ming Ting. Ming Ting. Chinese energy. Ming Ting.
Sketchy as it gets.
Ming Ting sounds like, yeah. Ming Ting sounds like something I'd order at a restaurant.
Oh boy.
Some Kung Pao chicken and Ming Ting.
So FlyX and MNTS are like the two weakest right now. They're both down 14% already. So it's like maybe more room to give, but a lot of the moves could have already happened for the day in the same token. So ANPA is the juiciest potential. I mean, it's given risk levels. Could see a random pop to 55.60 though, so it's got to establish some risk there. I don't know. Is that just going to be the new SMX like we talked about that just grinds up, just slow grinder to like $100, $200? Mm.
I know. Well, IMBS. Yeah. I mean, this thing.
No, the AMPA,
Oh, AMB.
the Rich Sparkle. It's like the trolliest
Look
stock.
at the. Look at these low. Yeah. What was the news? I mean, there was no news, right? This thing just.
I don't even think it was. I don't even
Yeah.
remember.
Look at all these lower wicks. Short. This has been like a theme, dude, where you have these just this liquidity traps, nightmares.
Right. Literally.
Yeah, and you just shorts can't get out. Yeah, Sidhu, I
Yeah.
just got taken out. Sidhu.
Mhm.
Yeah, I thought,
Yeah, that's so ugly, dude. That day in and day out, bro. Bell bullshit.
yeah, it's all good. It's all good because MNTS is still looking pretty good. So
Hmm. Yeah.
420 will be the top. All right, MTEN. When are we gonna open up? 126 is the resume price on MTEN, and it's opening up at 9:59. Or sorry, resuming within the minute. 10:04:58. Chinese sympathy to SXTC yesterday
It just sounds like a joke.
is insane, dude. These
Like
replays.
imagine telling that to your chat room, like what are we buying today and why we're buying it. There's a lot of chat rooms that are
Oh my god.
Chinese
Bro.
energy sympathy, guys. This is the theme. This is it.
Easy long. All right, MTN. What's the game plan here? Well, I'm just monitoring, really, but I mean, I do like scaling a slow short on it. I mean, we saw what happened with SXTC yesterday. Like, it ended up being a good short, but so I don't mind scaling a slow short on this thing, but just know your risk.
Managing the risk.
MTEN. We'll see. We're not like up a ton at this point, you know. I mean, considering no news and being a Chinese pump, it's I guess it's up a lot considering that. But yeah, all right, MTEN. It's see what it's gonna do up in this 130 area. This thing, honestly, dude, if I had to rub my magic crystal balls, I could see it round tripping and going under like 60 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it, man.
Which one? M10?
Yeah, M10.
Yeah. Yeah, it could. I mean,
I think like well that's what SXTC did. I think that's where the analysis is coming from. Yeah, here we go. M10 guys, here we go. See what's going to do on this pullback. It's a slow scale tuna, so I'm not saying it's done. Right now, I'm just slow scaling it on the short side. If it is done, good. But SXTC, I mean, this is full round trip and lower. They oftentimes will go lower after, they accumulate all their longs. CGTL still looks heavy on the hangover. GP kind of just sitting stagnant.
Yeah, everything's kind of slow. A little slow. Just watching FlyX, MNTS, and ANPA. Sidhu ban list again. Until it's not tomorrow. It'll be the top watch tomorrow.
On a Saturday.
Yeah.
I can just see you waking up like,
Yeah,
I'm getting my money back, Sidhu,
my nightmare. It'd
on
be
a
my
Saturday. Dude, ANPA looks like it's trying to creepily crawl up to new highs.
Yeah, it might. Yeah, I just took like a tiny size there with like stop at 55, over 55, like just tiny right now. Just kind of stalking it.
Fly X, dude, looks done. I mean, it really looks done. I could see
Uh,
that thing.
And she
But
probably got another point to give. And that's what I'm
yeah,
saying. Like that action, and then there's the headline says it falls on offering news. Like that's their headline. So like, what bulls are giddy to like buy and hold that now?
guys, MNTN, yeah, M10. That thing's going to zero, it looks like.
Good job, you short.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
CGTL, I got a fill on,
Okay.
249. MTN, I'm gonna size into it though. I mean, this Chinese stuff ain't holding up, man. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but I don't think it's gonna hold up.
Yeah, I mean, maybe not.
Glue looks good to fall. I mean, glue looks like one where I might throw like, I don't know, 50 shares at it and just set a stop and move along. Because I think end of the day, glue could keep selling off. Yeah, Wally, that was OCG. Nasty. Yeah. OCG's the one. I've been trying to mention that. Yeah, that's the one that's been on the tip of my tongue the last few days. Because OCG, the fact that thing pretty much did what SXTC did, except OCG went to like a penny. And where's she at right now? OCG, yeah. Oh my god. So OCG went to 2 cents, and this thing, dude. Imagine like, come, come on, M10, Ming Ping. Can we do it? Can we do it? Ming
Hang
Ping.
Chung.
Let's go to a penny.
Hang.
Oh man, dude, that gets me.
MPA pop. M10.
M10. Can we do that?
M10.
Asking nicely.
Is there volume? Bunch of volume there?
Oh yeah, dude. It's like 500,000 shares just went through.
Jesus.
600,000,
The price
700,000.
action, yeah, it's like the price action hasn't made sense on these tickers though. It's just you think it's work, you think it makes sense and it doesn't. That's the tricky part.
Yeah.
Like SXTC, like everything looked perfect yesterday, and then what happened? Like,
Yeah,
but the
exactly.
sympathies are never as strong as the first day though, and that's kind of like what you're getting at essentially. Like, it's what are the odds that it holds up? Like, what's your average? What's your idea with this M10?
I'm a 115 average on it. I plan to the plan's to slow scale it. So I mean, I'm really up through like towards 150. So I'm gonna give it a couple hundred of risk.
Yeah, and it was just what dormant at 60 cents before now.
Yeah. If it's going down into a halt, I'm gonna size it and then take it probably out of the halt. But GP's curling back around. ANPA there.
MNTS curling. I like CGTL for the
Yeah, I
continued.
did get a fill there. I like that. Yeah. Where did I get filled at? 249. Might hit it a little bit more here.
I'm gonna add a little.
Same. I'm adding the CGTL. I think 2.7's a good stop on it. 2.7's. I don't really see it getting back up into the 2.7s.
Mm-hmm. Fly X, probably gonna sprinkle there to M10, M10, M10. We done.
Yeah, this thing's round tripping to 60 cents, dude.
Let's go.
I probably shouldn't even touch it or until then.
You think it a round trip?
I think it round trips, yeah. But in the interim, it may go to 150. You know, I don't know.
Right. That's the scary part.
But yeah, I think it pretty much does what SXTC did yesterday. INBS going to 19 right now. Yeah, it's INBS is insanity. It's such a
Reclaim
liquidity.
theme. Yeah.
It's such a liquidity issue there, but
ANPA possible fake out breakout, or are they just going to turn that thing to Stairway to Heaven? And then Sidhu and MNTS reclaim theory.
Sidhu, what a bounce play, man.
I know, dude. God, it's like I guess tomorrow we'll buy that flush at the bell, right?
Yeah,
I'm done selling it. I learned, fool me once, fool me twice, not again.
and that'll be when it's done.
Right.
It gives it all up.
Everything.
Yeah, it just
Everything and some.
yeah, exactly. Super
Everything and
buy.
more.
It's like I'm done shorting this. I'm longing you, and then they offering.
Everything and some.
Man, glue is so heavy. I think I'm gonna throw something on glue, guys. It's overbought. They offering the other day. Yeah, I gotta take some glue. Good old Elmer's.
Yeah. You sniffing again today? I
Yeah.
knew you were a sniffer. Yeah, what's going on there, man? I mean, is there volume?
Yeah, enough. I took 75 shares. I mean, I'm giving it like a point of risk, so
Yeah.
$75. I like
Damn
it.
it, flies dumping on us, bro. Don't miss it. Shit.
Fly X. Yeah, we did call that, didn't we? 620 is good.
It looks like it's just gonna creepily crack to 5.
Yeah, Fly X looks done. I mean, the longs are they're done there. It's what it looks like. Look, I mean, the longs are in this thing from 620s to 8 yesterday, and I just don't see it getting back up there. I don't know. I'll take a little bit of size here, but I don't want to go too heavy because I'm kind of way off where I'd like to be.
Right. Yeah, MTNs. I mean, if it's not going to pump now, when is it? I mean,
Right. Yeah. MNTS is.
I closed that one, dude.
Yeah.
It ripped through the 5-minute VWAP like a freaking space shuttle. And straight for the Bermuda.
I'm gonna get out of that one. I have a 1220 stop.
M10, M10. M10, you're good.
M10
See this
lower.
thing go to 40 cents. Hey, man, if I got to just get back to shorting these penny junkers, man, that's what I'll do.
Yeah, I think she round trips, man.
Volume profile looks good. CGTL.
Yeah, smoke tuna M10. The M10.
CGTL looks like it's just ready to fall apart, dude.
Yeah, that's going to be a good short throughout the day. And then M10, shoot. I mean, I want to get heavy here, but this thing looks so good.
ANPA is looking interesting too, like that fake out breakout vibe. M10, good boy. You're a good boy, M10. Yes, you're a good boy.
You don't. I'm not going to be able to monetize this live stream.
Oh shit! I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't really care.
Hey, I'm not racist, man. I have Asian friends. I've dated Asian women. I don't discriminate. I just talk shit. I just like to laugh.
Yeah, it's just fun to crack up here and there. Oh, to take profit or to let this thing round trip. Or to size it. You got 3 options here.
Yeah, I went ahead and took mine because of the 10 cent
No.
rule. Because of the 10 cent rule, bro. I was in heavy, and the 10 cent rule is bullshit. So on this ticker specifically, but then it's like now I'm trapped because it's like I can't really get back in because I have 10 cents more to make. Yeah, it's a dilemma, man. I might have screwed myself here, but I mean, it's only up 40% now, so that's me like respecting my own risk parameters and my system. Like, I'm not like jumping out of the way to like short something that's only up that much. So I feel like I got a good piece of it.
Good work.
Can we get one more crack down here? Yeah, I mean, I
Yeah.
covered at 88. You know, it's like
That's good. Good trade. But it'll probably be at 50 cents in a few minutes. Good trade though. That was a cute trade.
no, man.
I'm messing with you. Probably be at $1.50 in a few minutes.
One or the other. Hell,
Mhm. Yeah, I think it still can capitulate. Like it really hasn't seen like
83,
all the panic yet. I mean, I could see this thing just panicking below the lows and halting
70s.
down. Here we
Damn,
go, dude. Shit.
nice, bro. Good work holding that. Another
Yeah.
10 cents. Nice. There's a gap at 73. That could be a target if you haven't covered, but I'd be
I'm gonna
taking
take
something.
it.
Yeah,
I'm
I'd be
taking it.
taking
I'm
that.
good.
Yeah, I
I'm
definitely would have
taking.
took it by now at that point. And then maybe re-add. Maybe we'll get a spike back to 95 or $1 to hit it again. It's like it's tricky. See, this is where the 10 cent rule becomes like a total headache. You know, at this point. But it's like again, build a big position on that initial, get a good 10 cent trade, and keep it pushing. That's kind of how you just have to go about it. If we were on C Pro, it'd be a different story. But with trade the pool, you gotta have be tactical. So
Yeah, maybe a move close to $1. Good re-entry, but took it at 80 for now. Man, this VLN, just random. It's not up a lot, this VLN, but it is cracking a level. There's not a hadn't been a ton going on, guys. NCGTL for the short there. Uh,
yeah, I'm gonna just start scaling that. Though it's so sleepy that I haven't been able to get the size I want. But I'm gonna really like start adding into that thing.
Sidhu took a stop on that, but and then what's the other? MNTS? What's she? MNTS.
YX is just flirting to what ready to crack. It feels.
MNTS cracked its bear flag, but it's reclaiming that level. I never took profits on it, so that's a little aggravating. I have a 1220 stop on it.
CGTL volume to the buy side. A lot of shares just went through to add, but the spread's a little.
Yeah. ATGL random play that's halted up 20 to nearly 40. This thing's opening up at $42. ATGL.
Oh, 26K volume. Wow, that's going to be a good short, probably. Just be careful, but that's wow. Yeah, that's main watch now.
It's about to open up. Well, no, going into a 10-minute
We
halt.
have news. Fly X, CGTL getting a pump. Fly X washing. Big volume in Fly X to size it.
Are you just hitting the bid? Because it's kind of hard to get involved there.
Yeah, dude. This same song and dance as always, bro. CGTL getting a little roar.
Yeah.
But M10, no love. Still heavy. Yeah, you might have read that like a fiddle, dude. Is that thing gonna go crack below lows? So you could be ambitious, get in off of like high 8 risk, even mid 8 risk here, re-add tight,
Mm-hmm.
and look for that, that bigger picture total wash that you might be looking for. That's could be an idea there.
Yeah.
Being so tight is sketchy on that one.
That's been I may be my only really nice green trade of the day so far. I'm probably sitting a little red right now
Mm-hmm.
because it took
Yeah,
because
same. I'm
didn't
small
take
red right now.
didn't take any profits on it. Would be, yeah. I think that's what the Einstein Wall Street, what I was saying earlier, was saying. Like, if you're up, your queue, take it, shut the computer down. I mean, I don't know. Maybe there's
Mhm.
something to that because I definitely could have been
Yeah,
up
that's the hard
easily.
thing about like the like the evals. You just want to keep going and going. If you're not funded, you want to just keep going and going. Like, and you don't.
Yeah.
It's not realistic. Like, you only have so much capacity. There's only so many good setups, and that's kind of like the trap, essentially.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I am liking the futures
Sidhu.
realm because like I can only make so much of my profit in one day. Like,
Sidhu dumping, dude. Sorry, off of the 4.5s, 4.2s. Yeah, keep going. It's probably.
yeah, it just pumps so much though at the same time. It's
Yeah.
pumping, but yeah, it pumped from 3.8 to 4.5. So yeah, it's
But
just
it's why you like the futures because a
yeah.
lot
Like
of.
so at Tradeify, I have a 40% consistency rule. That's only for like an eval though. So they're basically saying you're not going to pass the eval in one day. Take your time. Like you can pass it in 3 days, and that's fine. And like I like that. But once I'm funded, there's no limits. I can make however much I want. I'm not capped, and I can take a payout like that same day. Like that's beautiful. So I love that.
This
But there's pros and cons to everything. But I like
This
that.
ATGL might get me good though on the day, dude. This thing, there's going to be a good short here, and I mean, I'm not going to really step in front of it yet. But
Which one?
ATGL is halted up. It's up
Yeah.
100%.
Is it dump? Is it resume?
No,
Yeah.
it's still halted, but I'm monitoring it
Yeah, that's
closely on
top
that.
watch.
It's
Yeah,
not a
don't.
ton of volume,
Let's
kind of
not like yeah. Let's
sketch.
not lose track of that one because that could be really good. CGTL gonna do this reclaim theory now? God, dude, I've about had it with this crap, man.
Yeah,
Ridiculous, dude.
I know. It's like if it's not going to be the day, let's do what we practice and just
Right.
let
Yeah.
them have it. You guys can have it. I'm not going to go crazy
Yeah.
if
And
it's
that's
kind of.
like what I was getting at earlier. So like my thing is gonna be like if I'm not like doing stocks or stocks aren't working, okay, now I can switch over to futures. It's like have a backup plan. Like it doesn't have to be trading. Like maybe that's like going outside or doing something else, but you got to have some kind of plan for stepping away, right? It can never be like, I got to pass. I got to do this. I'm just going to grind today. Cause that never works. That doesn't work long term. You might have a good day that doing that. You might have a good week doing that, but that's not sustainable for longevity to just
Right.
grind like that. Like that's the reality. Trust me, I've been there and done that. I know.
ATGL about to open up traders and see where she goes.
MNTS, like that is that the sloppy though?
We just opened up.
ATGL resumption.
Oh my God, $41, 44.
Taking 5 shares.
Long or short?
Short.
Okay. This thing is, dude, it's squeezing up, maybe into another halt up. What the heck?
I got 10 shares.
I'm about to join you. I'm just monitoring whatever price action this is.
What pattern do we call this?
Yeah, exactly.
I like the idea of MTES, that sloppy pop though. Like that might be something.
Which
I know
one?
it's annoying. We
Oh,
take,
MNTS.
you know, I
Yeah.
know the reclaim was annoying and all, but it's like, is that the golden?
Yeah. It's coming back down. Yeah.
Like off that same risk level at 1250 we talked about.
Guys,
ATGL, what are you doing?
guys, trade this at your own risk. This is super
This
sketch,
could
but
be very fruitful or very sketchy.
yeah, small. I'm going real
I'm
small.
smacking it in 5 share lots. Like,
Dude, I did that with one ticker. I think it was QMMM. I hit it with like 10 shares thinking, oh, I'm not risking that much. And the thing went up like 400 points.
right. Yeah, I remember that.
And yeah, it went up from $8 to 100. I hit it with 10 shares at 100, and it just shot up another 40 points. And I'm max lost on the day. I was like, oh, 10 shares ain't not like I'm good. 10 shares, I ain't risking that much.
Does anyone have the news on this thing?
Yeah, because it's like stair steppy up.
ANPA might be wrapping up. Sketchy. ATGL, I might smack 5 more if it's not going to pump higher, bro. Like, what are we doing? We're just going to stagnate and flush now?
Yeah, 50s. 50's an interesting level here.
It's giving you a chance to set stops right above it. Are they going to sweep it? It just gave.
I'm hitting it too. A little,
Given
just
that
with
50
tight stuff.
risk level. It's given the 50 risk level. Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
It's
Is
halting
that a
down.
halt down?
Yeah.
Is it though, or is it fake? Let's go.
Let's hope so. Let's hope so.
Like, dude, I smacked 5 shares. I'm scared to death. Like,
I smacked some more shares, I think. Let me see how
I
many.
got 5 times X.
Oh, did you hit it like a few more times when it started selling off?
Yeah, my average is 44. I sized it a little bit, a little something. But
Something.
this could be game city. This could be like straight to 60, like as soon as it resumes type vibe. So you just gotta be careful.
I'm seeing I'm seeing the resume price is
CGTL, I fell out of love quickly here. I mean, it reclaimed over VWAP. Like, what are you doing? Like, God. Same thing with MNTS, the reclaim over VWAP. Oh my God, between Sidhu. Yeah, I think that might be my final confirmation. Maybe I just sit it out the first 30 minutes. Because if we're going to continue to see the reclaim theme, like, it's just brutal. The price action is not true. Like, you just wicked, man.
hopefully lower. I don't have as good of an average. 42.59. Hit it a couple times when I was selling off.
I mean, it was really kind of slow at 50. Like,
yeah. think I'd give it to maybe like 45. I want to just see it kind of sell off from here.
Mm-hmm. So Fly still feels really good. An ANPA, that thing could be on elevator watch, guys.
Yeah, Fly looks real good. MNTS just coming back down. Nearly stopped out of it. Open is grinding. What else are you guys looking at? FlyX maybe giving an entry. I think
Which one
6. Like,
came back down? MNTS. What'd you say?
yeah. MNTS came back
Yeah,
down.
that 12 is just, don't complicate it. 12 is a good level to just set and
I
forget it.
mean, really could just hit it again here.
Right. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What's my average? I might hit it a little bit more here and then just.
It's like I don't like that reclaim, so I'm not going to give it much wiggle room. But like the 12, like 12.2 is my stop right now. So
ATGL is probably it looks like it's gonna open up right around where it closed at. I'm
okay.
I'm gonna hit the head real quick up BRB
All right.
before that we open up here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a little bit of room. ATGL pretty much just like it hit 50, dude. That's high day number right there.
Right. Yeah. It gave clear risk levels off 50. It did do that. That's a fact. ANPA, come on, Rich sparkles. No one's gonna sparkle Rich at this. I mean, who is holding Rich sparkles? What in the hell even happened? I don't even want to know. Hmm.
Oh my god, the resume price showing 42 or 3 4. It's just we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna give it to 45 6 and then
It
if
could
it
be
may
in a few minutes, or it could be in like 20 seconds. But
yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
you're giving into what?
Just a couple points. I mean, honestly, the idea here is I want it lower from this
It
halt
might
down.
fall. It's probably gonna pop right to like 46. Honestly, like I mean, it went from 46 to 42 on the tape, bro. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, see 47. Like it's spready as all get out.
Yeah. Yeah, I want 50 to hold, but shoot, don't halt up from here. See it
Look
stay
at that
heavy.
spread, dude. Oh my god, just gross.
It's very gross.
God.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get out of it if it pushes up towards through 50.
Yeah. Yeah, I scaled out some in the mid fours. I just didn't like how it reacted right after the halt. Kind of trappy action.
Yeah.
They might want to play with it, like I said, like shoot it to 60, toy with everyone, and then wash it. Could still be early here. We'll see though. And a candle to 30s could be right on the brink too. So ANPA just flopping around there.
Yeah, not doing too much with this crazy gap and push, and
I
then
know
just going consolidating. Yeah.
it's been junky action today, dude. Junk.
Smoke tuna sideways market. Yeah, it's been a little sideways. I mean, a couple plays like the M10, which is in the 70s right now.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That's pretty good, but what you got going on this weekend?
Good question. Probably just gonna kick it, man. Oh, maybe look at some real estate.
Yeah, yeah. You got that coming up.
Yeah, that's exciting. So, yeah, one of my best friends here, he's moving out in a couple months, so that'll be good too. I can go like explore properties and go crash at his place for the night. It was like a 2 hour drive, and you know Orlando, dude, like the traffic can get crazy. So that drive kind of sucks back and forth
Mhm.
on the same day. So CGTL, MNTS, both right at VWAP, reclaim theme, but one of them probably continues to give, if I had to guess. ATGL on the brink of nightmare zone. Is it all just a big game and trap? Probably. ANPA, same thing. It's like, what are we doing? Just flopping around like a fish at 50.
OPAD looks kind of heavy. That was the leading play on the day. OPAD 150 to 230. I mean, they played with that at the like right at the bell. Are they done playing with it?
Yeah. ATGL.
And then Fly X. Fly X is good too. Honestly, I mean, I think I'm gonna leave. Yeah, ATGL. You just brought. I'm leaving that on, and then Fly X. I may get involved with as well. Then outside of that, just gonna kick. SMX is at lows. That thing's been bleeding. MNTS. Oh my god, that thing's going back
Yeah,
down
this thing,
too.
it might be confirming. That might be the one that wants to continue down.
Yep,
There we go.
MNTS looking good. ATGL.
Let's
Merry
go, bro.
Christmas.
Come on.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. 30 seconds later. Whoop. Take a break from the day.
30 seconds later, Max lost. Never mind. uh, that's
Merry
too funny.
Christmas indeed. Green and red. Oh my god, dude. This market.
Oh, it did halt down. ATGL.
I didn't even realize it. That was sneaky.
They put a sneaky halt in on it.
It looked kind of like it, but I just missed it because I'm like, oh, it's barely any lower than it was. But yeah, they halted that thing. That's a sneaky one, dude. And honestly, like I gotta say, it's probably one of my favorite setups. Why? Because it's halted up 100 something percent. But what's the key? On 26K volume. Like even though it's an expensive stock, it's still not that much volume, and that's the key for me. Like that's why it's more of a pump and dump susceptible. Like it hasn't been grinding all day. It doesn't have the whole herd, right? It was just kind of like a random pump that happened. Those are
Yeah.
typically the ones that are going to fade nice for us.
Good call, man. Good work.
Yeah,
Yeah. I
let's. I
think
mean, it's not over till it's over. So, but so far so good. Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Give me your money. Uh, yeah, Travis, you guys know what we're looking at. I mean, ATGL. I'm about to go hang with the wifey, enjoy the weekend, but I'm in ATGL. We'll see where she's going to open up. It's just open up at the resume price is right at the same level, it looks like. And then outside of that, Fly X has been looking like a good maybe bleeder today. I mean, it's in a really good God, dude. Look at this pattern. I mean,
Right. Yeah, I like it, but yeah,
I'm
gotta have.
a
I mean, it's just don't get too heavy because like it can somehow reclaim and come back right here, but it does feel like it's about to collapse.
on the brink of collapse is Fly X. Yeah, she looks good. I'm gonna get involved kind of small there because it's way off of where I'd like to be in it. But
Right. Right. Maybe
uh,
anticipate, maybe like half size or third size that you really want,
yeah,
and like maybe you get a reclaim, and if not, you're fine. You're in the move. Like that's kind of how you got to play that one.
and then SMX has been pretty good. What did Sid you do? FU Sid. They need to change their ticker symbol to FU because that's ridiculous. Sid you.
Seriously, dude. God, I hate that stuff.
MNTS has been working well, and yeah, I mean outside of that, you guys know what we're doing. Let's. I'll probably head out after this reopens ATGL,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe I don't know. Honestly, I have a stop at 51, and I might just let this thing bleed back down. Really,
Yeah.
it's kind of wicky on its past chart history, which is a good sign. We could just see this thing
Mm-hmm. I
give a
like
lot
it.
back.
It feels right. It feels right.
Really, 35 looks
Let me
like
see
support.
gaps in the chart. Yeah, there's a gap at 31. There's a pretty good gap to target at 31. Yeah, 30. Yeah, I see. Like 36 and then 32 look like key. Really, actually, 37 and 32 look like key levels, roughly, intraday.
I like the new setup though. I guess
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the watch list pretty much at the top so that's constantly rolling. And outside of that, we can
Yeah, that's smart. I like that, dude. Have a bird's eye view. Like everyone has more of a bird's eye view, and then let's see
mhm.
where you're at. Yeah, and I like that for sure. You can just take a glance and see what the main market's doing. Like that's key sometimes. Like you need to know, you need that bird's eye view, and not just in penny land. Like what is the main market doing? You got to know that as a trader. You got to be aware.
All right, ATGL is going to open up in maybe 5 minute halt. Will open up at in 45 seconds. Looks like it's resuming at like 38.
Okay. Yeah, possibly 15 seconds. Looks like they are going to open it. No.
Nope.
But it's not always 5 and 10. Sometimes it's like 6 or 7. So that's the thing. We do see that sometimes. There it goes. It wasn't exactly 5 minutes. Merry Christmas or back to coal and 50 we go.
Just a slight pullback in the chart before the next liftoff. Yeah, we'll see. I mean,
Gonna add another little bit to fly. MNTS looks good. CGTL might be the one that grinds. It's kind of the vibe. So I'm out of that one for now. I'm in MNTS still. I'm in ATGL. I'm in ANPA small, and I'm in FlyX.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very. Got the same thing going on. Yeah, guys, enjoy the weekend. Do some reviewing over the trades.
Monday will be here before we know it, guys.
Yeah, Monday will be here.
Reflect your
Very cool.
data and face yourself, and let's come back sharper than ever next week.
Yeah. Yep. Appreciate you, Fades. Good work, team. We'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions, jump in the discourse free below and you can ask away. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on Monday.